Man, this restaurant is closed for years. Call this restaurant a Chorus's. Look, they're my first customer.
Hey Chorus.
Hey little idiot Jabin. I may help you today.
Can I get the job here?
Sure.
Hi little idiot Jabin and Karis.
Hi Darth Tubby.
Can I get the job here?
Sure.
Hi Darth Tubby, little idiot Jabin and Chorus.
Hi JJ and Yoyo.
We can get jobs here.
Sure. There come the customer.
Welcome to Chorus's. I may you help for
I
you.
can get Berger.
Sure,
Please?
here you go.
Thanks. You you make so sick that it's calling your all parents.
No 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 no.
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 No, 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 no.
Come with me.
Chorus.
Little idiot Jabin.
Darth Tubby, JJ and Yoyo.
How do you open up a restaurant make Lenny out sick?
That's it, you're 5 all grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 0, 2, 2 days.
Chorus. When we get home, you will go your room now. Why?
Little idiot Jabin. No cheese for you when we get home.
Darth Tubby, when we get to Teletubbyland, you will forced to watch Tots TV. JJ and Yoyo. When we get home, you two get a spanking.